everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our cute little new mini kit. It is a mixed media mini. It's called Arty Love, and it has this gorgeous acrylic stamp which is called Arty Doodles. So beautiful. It has got this sweet little stencil called Arty Elements, and this little stencil called Arty Stripes. So we have another stripe stencil in our collection, which is this one. So this one is a vertical stripe, and it's a little bit skinnier than our old one. Very cute, Arty Stripes. We have got the laser cut, which is this very cute little delicate doodle. It's just lovely, colourful journey, and a cute little cut apart. And last of all, of course, you've got your little mixed mini magazine. So we've had some of fabulous mixed media artists come and join our team for our kit this month. We've got Farrell has joined us, and she's done this cute little one with the stamps. Our Stamp and Colour girls had a go too, and you can see that Ashley and Sam have done a great job. So just really simple cards with these kits. The other Ashley and Joe, and they both found all their beautiful colour inks. Another one by Farrell, and of course you can't have mixed media superstars without Elisa, and she did this beautiful layout. So that's what's included in the kit. There'll be lots of blog posts with this mini as well. Look at this one. This will be a blog post with some instructions as well, and cute little card, or you could use it as a mixed media page. And there is that layout, which is just beautiful. So this little mini, it retails for just $21. What a fantastic price point. Just want to show you too our other cute little mini mark making stamps. So I'll show you the size difference. This is our regular acrylic stamps, and these are our cute little minis. Now these guys just retail for $2.80, and our DT has used some of these cute little stamps in their projects as well. Not all of them, just that they've added to some of their projects to show you how to use them. Cute little mark making stamps to put little marks on your projects. And just to give you an example, this cute layout here, she has used this little stamp around the top there. So there are 4 available at the moment, little mark making stamps. There'll be 2 more coming in February, and they are just $2.80. Thanks guys. You can pre-order your mini kit on the website today, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. They are just $21, and they'll be available through your local scrapbooking store from the 20th of January as well. Till next time, thanks guys, bye.